Okay, so we're going to introduce the babies to Chop for the first time, and we're going to see what they think about it. We're going to try it without adding formula to it, just to see what they do to it. Let's see. Babies want to try some Chop? At first, they won't even see and know that it's something that they could eat. So you got to kind of just like give them a little bit. Look, guys, try it. It's yummy. You want to try it? What do you think? Let me tell you if they won it. They all won. Okay, let's see. We'll add just a little bit of formula to it and see if that helps. Look, guys. Look, guys. What do you think of this? Now try it. Yummy, yummy. Let's try it. Whoa, what do you think of that? Okay, hold on. Over here, little one. Want to try it too? Thank you. What do you guys think of that? Can you see? I'll hold it this way. First time to try some Chop. Chop's very messy for the babies, but it's good to get them used to that taste of vegetables so that they'll be healthy. A lot of times people say, oh, why won't my bird eat Chop? Why won't my bird eat vegetables? It's because they weren't introduced to it when they were younger like this. So the babies are all a month old, so I thought it's a good time to give them a taste of some veggies. What do you think, guys? You like that? Yeah, you do, don't you? Yummy, yummy. Go ahead. Believe it or not, it takes some time. They'll only eat off the spoon at first. It takes a little bit for them to take it for themselves off the dish. You think they would just see it there and they would just help themselves, but that takes a little bit of time. Yeah. You like that? It's good. Be nice to each other. Okay, guys. I think they like it. This is red, yellow, green peppers, a little bit of corn, a little bit of barley, lentils. Yeah. What do you guys think? You like that? Yeah. I think this was a big hit for their first time trying veggies. Okay, stop now and give them a little bit of formula to help them wash it all down. Right?